Hello students, how are you? Welcome to the online class. In our previous class we have discussed about 8 digit numbers, 9 digit numbers, Indian place value system, place value and place value of numbers. Today we shall discuss more about numbers like the expanded form, comparing and ordering numbers, and how to make the smallest and greatest number using different digits. Okay, so now we shall start from expanded form. Note it down. In expanded form, we have to write the sum of the place value of the digits of a number is called its expanded form. Means we have to expand the number according to the place value of every digit. For example, here I have written 9,25,586, and now we have to expand the number. Then we have to write it according to its place value of every digit. Means 9 lakh plus, here sum is written, so we have to add the place value. 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 6. We have written the place value of every digit. Okay, we can write the expanded form in words also. In words, 9 lakh means 9 lakh plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 500 plus 8 tens plus 6 ones. Okay, in this way we can write it in words. And when we add all the place value, then what we will get? We will get the number itself. Okay. Then we will move to comparing and ordering numbers. Okay. Comparing and ordering numbers. Before comparing, let me ask you something. Can I compare myself? No. Can you compare yourself? No. It is impossible. For comparison, we need at least two persons or more persons. Okay. Look the number. Here I have written 5864. Can I compare this number itself? No. I cannot compare 5864 by itself. Okay. For comparing numbers, we have to follow certain rules. And we put less than, greater than, or equal sign for comparing numbers. Okay. In our first situation, here I have written 7,29,839, and another number is 12,46,580. Our first rule says we have to, by counting the number of digits, so we have to count both the number. The first number is of 6-digit number, and the second number is of 7-digit number. 6 is smaller than or less than 7, so 7. Now we will able to know, or we can easily know, the 7,29,839 is smaller than 12,46,580. Okay, so we will put less than symbol here. In another situation, I have written here 15,29,784, and the other number is 11,30,920. In both the number, first we have to count the number of digits each number carries. Each number carries 7-digit number. 7 digit. Here is also 7 digit. Both have the equal number of digits. So now we have to look for the places. Here in 10 lakh place 1 is written, and here is also 1 is written. Then we will move to the lakhs place. In the lakhs place, here is 5 lakh and here is 1 lakh. Means 15 lakh here is written 15 lakh, and here the in other number 11 lakh is written. So 15 lakh is greater than 11 lakh. So 15,29,784 is greater than 11,30,920. In this way we can compare the numbers. Okay. In another situation, here I have written 8,49,38,540, and the other number is 8,49,38,540. In both the number of digits are same. Means both have 8 digit and the number of places are also same. So we both the number are equal, so we can put here equal sign between the numbers. Okay. When we compare more numbers, we have to ascend them or descend them. As you have learned ascending order and descending order in your previous classes also. Ascending order means ascending order. When we write the numbers from the smaller value to the bigger value, then we use ascending order. Smaller number to bigger number. Okay, let's take an example. Here I have written 10 crore 25 lakh 96,580. Another number is 9,36,482. And the other number is 7 crore 15 lakh 26,987. In the numbers, we have to count or we have to look for the places. Here is 9-digit number, here is 6-digit number, and here is 8-digit number. So, and we have to ascend them. Means this one is the 9-digit number, 6-digit number, and 8-digit number. So 6-digit number will be smaller. So we have to write 9,36,482 first. 9,36,482. Okay. Then which number we have to write now? Then we have to write 7 crore 15 lakh 26,987. And then the bigger number is 10 crore 25 lakh 96,580. Okay, we can put less than symbol in place of this colon mark or comma. Okay, like this. 9,36,482 is smaller than 7 crore 15 lakh 26,987 is less than 10 crore 25 lakh 96,580. Okay, in this way we can ascend more numbers. The opposite of ascending order is descending order. Means we have to write the number from the bigger value to the smaller value. Descending order. means the bigger number to smaller number. Here I am taking 3 more numbers. For example, 10,26,587. The second number is 7,81,93,488, and the third number is 5,36,220. Okay. Now we have to count all the digits. This is 7-digit number. This is 8-digit number, and this one is 6-digit number. We can know easily which number we have to write first. 7,81,93,488 is greater. 7,81,93,488 is greater than. In descending order, we have to put greater than symbol, or we can, here I am writing in this form part, then I will put greater than symbol. 7,81,93,488, then 10,26,587, then 5,36,220, and in place of comma or colon we have to put greater than symbol, means 7, or here is also I am writing or, means if you will write in this way, then it is also correct, or by putting the symbol it is also correct. 7,81,93,488 is greater than 10,26,587 is greater than 5,36,220. Okay, clear? Then we will go for successor and predecessor. We will discuss about successor and predecessor. First, we will discuss predecessor. Predecessor means when we subtract 1 from any number, we get its predecessor. And we can say predecessor as before number, what you have learned in your earlier classes also. Okay, let's take an, I have written here before number in place of predecessor. Suppose I have written here 7,26,983, and I have to write the predecessor of this number. Then simply I have to subtract 1 from the number. Okay, minus 1. Then which number? predecessor 7,26,982. Okay, clear? Then we will discuss about successor. Successor means the opposite of predecessor means after number. When we add 1 to any number, we get its successor, and it is also called its after number. Okay, here I have written after number. Let's take an example. Suppose 10 crore 26 lakh 54,796, and now we have to find the successor of this number. Simply we have to add 1 to the number. Then we will get 10 crore 26 lakh 54,797. Okay, this is about predecessor and successor. Then we will know how to form the greatest and smallest number by using different digits. Okay. Now we will discuss about how to form the greatest and the smallest number by using different digits. Okay. Write the heading first, smallest and greatest number. Let's take an example. Suppose here is a question. Write the smallest or form. You can write form the smallest number and greatest. Suppose I have written 6-digit number. 6-digit means we have to write the number, and the number should be of 6 digit. Write the smallest and greatest 6-digit numbers by using 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Suppose I have written 8. Count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit number. And now we have to find the smallest number, and here you write without repeating. Without repeating means no, we cannot add extra number. Okay, without repeating. Smallest number. Now look for the different digits. The smallest number is 0, you know, but when we write or when we start the number from 0, the number of digits will decrease. So we have to start from which number? 1. Then we can put 0. Then 2. Then 3. Then 5. Then 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the smallest number. And we have to put commas according to Indian place value system. which number it occur? 1,02,358. Okay, and the greatest number will be the greatest 6-digit number will be, write it from the right side, from right side to left side. Then the greatest number is 8, then 5, then we have to write 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. Okay, the greatest number will be 8,53,210. In this way we can write, or we can form the smallest and greatest number for any digit number. Okay. I hope you can solve all the numbers easily. And see you in the next class. Take care. Bye.